and everything is working perfectly. Now, if we go over to the YouTube live streaming dashboard, you can see that it's starting, the stream is starting, and the stream health is good. That is exactly what we want to see. And now it says I'm live. So right now I am live to YouTube, guys, with that composition that we just set up, and we should see it showing up here in just a second. That is exactly what we want to see. And now it says I'm live. So right now I am live to YouTube, guys, with that composition that we just set up, and we should see it showing up here in just a second. That is exactly what we want to see. And now it says I'm live. So right now I am live to YouTube, guys, with that composition that we just set up, and we should see it showing up here in just a second. That is exactly what we want to see. And now it says I'm live. So right now I am live to YouTube, guys, with that composition that we just set up, and we should see it showing up here in just a second. And there it is. And there it is.
Lead the way, sir.
Need backup.
I'm coming. Lead the way, sir.
Need backup.
I'm coming. Lead the way, sir.
We are now live. All right, and I am now playing the game. Got my arrow keys here. But you can see I have the webcam up in the corner while I'm playing the game. And from my point of view, let me show you guys what I'm seeing. So now you guys are seeing exactly what I'm seeing on the screen right now. You don't see the OBS dashboard. You don't see anything like that. You just see me playing the game. I can run and I can jump. I don't see my webcam up in the corner. I'm just playing the game. Now you will suffer some frame rate drop from this because encoding video through OBS is on the screen button. And at this point you are no longer live streaming. And now you can see from the YouTube dashboard that I am no longer live streaming. It says that I'm offline, and chat is still going, and everybody's really confused as to why I'm live streaming and why they can't hear sound. It's because my microphone was being used for the recording of this demo and not by the OBS running in the virtual machine. I know that is very confusing, just forget you heard it. Alright, let's go back to preview stream, and you can see I'll go ahead and enable my webcam. There I am again. Hi! And I'm sorry for the little glitches, guys. It's because I'm actually running in a virtual machine. Things are kind of a little bit slow. The webcam's not always working. It's something that I didn't really expect, but we're going to go ahead and continue with the demo because I think we've got some good stuff here. Alright, so the next thing is if you want to live stream to Twitch, it's actually very much the same. You just want to go up to settings, you want to go to your broadcast settings and change it from YouTube to Twitch. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your stream key from the Twitch dashboard. So log into your Twitch account, go into the dashboard, grab that stream key, copy and paste it directly into here, and then make sure that down here where it says advanced settings, it says you should set the keyframe interval to 2 seconds and you should use X264 encoding under advanced settings. So just make sure that you have everything set so that all those red warnings go away. That is literally the only difference. And currently you can only stream to Twitch or YouTube at one time. If you want to stream to both services at the same time, you're going to need to use OBS Studio because it's going to have future support for that. But the old version of OBS, you can only stream to one or the other at a time. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how to up your game a little bit and make things look a little bit more professional. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Adobe Photoshop. on my system. You can use any program you want, MS Paint, whatever. It doesn't really matter what graphics editor you use. I'm going to demonstrate something here that will make you look like a lot more professional live streamer. So we're going to go ahead and just create a new image, and we want that image to be the same size as our stream, which is 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720. But you want to opt for a larger resolution, or at least an equal resolution to whatever you're ever planning on live streaming at, because you can downscale it, but when you upscale it, it looks like crap. Let's go ahead and hit OK. And now we have a big white box. So what are we going to do with this big white box? Let's go ahead and drag in an image. Open up my little photo folder here. I have a little matrix background. I'm going to go ahead and just drag that out there. And now I have an image as my background. Cut it out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up OBS. And what I'm going to do in my composition here is I'm going to say add an image. And we're just going to call this backdrop. Let's go ahead and browse and open up that image we just created. So that's OBS layer. Want a decently high power and evaluate those settings. Make sure that you have a video quality that your users want. Honestly, 1280 by 720 is going to be crisper than 1080p at a lower bit rate because you're not going to have all those compression artifacts. So figure out what you can do comfortably and feel out your viewers. Also, and make sure that they're enjoying the stream and that the content is good. And if they're giving you feedback and you're seeing a lot of people say, oh, the video's skipping, the video's chugging, then go back and reevaluate those settings. It is a little bit of trial and error depending on internet connection and system performance. All right, for the purpose of this live stream, I'm going to leave it at 1080p. Now, all of the other settings down here like audio, I'm just going to leave on default because I already have my microphone mapped as my default device. But you can also go in and change these to whatever you want depending on your configuration. So if you have like USB headphones plugged in or a USB microphone, you can select those explicitly if they're not just working for you. Okay, so at this point, we are set up and ready to live stream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the preview. And now I'm going to click Start Streaming. And I am quite literally live streaming to my channel for this demo. All right, now down at the bottom of the screen, you see a little green square, and it says that I'm approaching about 3 megabit per second.